Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are breaking down something that might sound complicated, but I promise to make it super simple. How to sell software as a service with a sales funnel. If you are a complete beginner, don't worry. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how software companies like Netflix, Canva, and Zoom attract customers every single day, and how you can do the same thing for your own software as a service business. First, let's start with the basics. SaaS stands for software as a service. Instead of buying a CD or downloading software once, people pay a small monthly fee to access it online. Think of Netflix for movies, Canva for design, or Zoom for meetings. That's SaaS in action. So when you hear SaaS, just remember it's software you rent instead of own. And that model is powerful because it brings in predictable monthly revenue. Now let's talk about a sales funnel. A funnel is just the step-by-step journey someone takes before becoming a paying customer. Imagine a kitchen funnel. It's wide at the top and narrow at the bottom. At the top, lots of people hear about your software. As they move down the funnel, some lose interest and a smaller group finally decide to buy. In software as a service, this funnel usually looks like this: awareness, interest, decision, and action. Awareness, interest, decision, and action. Now let me give you 5 strategies that make up a simple software as a service funnel. Number 1 is you have to attract attention. So your goal is to get people to notice you. This could be through ads, social media, YouTube videos, or even free content that solves a problem. For example, a blog post about how to save 5 hours a week with automation. Then you have to educate and build trust. That's how you drive interest. So once you had their attention, give them something free that lets them test your software. This could be a free trial, a free demo, or even a free return on investment calculator that shows them how much money they could make with your software as a service. And by the way, if you want to try our free return on investment calculator, the link is in the description down below, just to find out how much money you are actually leaving on the table with your missed calls. Alright, as I was saying, the next, you have to show proof. People want to see results. Share testimonials, case studies, or reviews. This is an example. One small business added $5,000 a month after using this software. That social proof makes people feel safe about saying yes. Now, 4th step, make the offer easy. Don't confuse them. Keep your pricing simple, your sign-up process short, and your call to action clear. Something like, start your 14-day free trial, no credit card required. The easier it feels, the more likely they will do it. Number 5, You have to follow up. You have to follow up. That's how you get retention. Not everyone will buy. Okay, mama, bravo. Okay, bravo. Not everyone will buy on day one. That's why follow up is key. Use email, text, or even a missed call text back system that we are using to remind people about your free trial and encourage them to upgrade to a paid plan. Again, if you want to try our missed call text back system to see